Okay, this is an optional read aloud of Mastery Check 4. Remember, you take this in Edulastic, so go to Edulastic and you can listen to this as you work. Question 1. What is the central idea of the text? Facebook edits feeds to bring less news and more sharing. Make sure your central idea is specific and makes sense. Question 2. Version A. The changes come after a tough year for Facebook that included congressional hearings on how Russia used it to influence the 2016 U.S. elections. Former executives and Facebook's investors have spoken out about how it and other social media sites might be hurting rather than helping society and users' psyches. Version B. The changes come after a tough year for Facebook that included congressional hearings on how Russia used it to influence the 2016 U.S. elections. Look at the two sentence pairs above. How do the changes affect the overall meaning of the text above? Think about the Picasso painting. A. Version A gives insignificant information about how people feel about Facebook. B. Version A tells the reader that former employees of Facebook think the company is hurting society, while version B just tells the reader Facebook has a rough year. C. Version B is more specific and to the point than version A. D. Version A tells the reader that Facebook is hurting society, while version B tells the reader that Facebook is helping society. Question 3. Version A. The move will not affect advertisements. Users will continue to see the same ads they have before, meaningful or not. But businesses that use Facebook to connect with their customers without paying for ads will also feel the pain. Version B. The move will not affect advertisements. Users will continue to see the same ads they have before. But businesses that use Facebook to connect with their customers without paying for ads will also do poorly. Look at the two versions of the text above. How does the change affect the overall meaning of the text above? Think about the Picasso painting. A. Version A uses feel the pain, which tells us businesses will really suffer from this change. Version B also tells us some advertisements are not meaningful. B. Version B uses the word poorly, which tells us businesses will lose money. Version A does not discuss businesses losing money. C. Version B is more specific than version A. D. Version A tells us that advertisements are meaningful, while version B does not tell us about the advertisements. All right, remember you're taking this in Edulastic. Good luck.